Hello, fertile family. How are you today? Okay, here are three mistakes couples make when trying to get pregnant. Number one, they don't have a common fertility goal. Number two, they don't pursue their fertility journey as a couple. I thought God had joined you as one. So why is Madam alone in her fertility journey and Oga is on the other lane? Number three, they don't get to agree on a fertility treatment option. The only fertility treatment option Oga knows is orthodox medication. And Madam is like, there are other fertility treatment options like herbal remedies. And Oga is like, you say,